Hey, how's it going, everybody? So right now, as you can see, I'm in some Amazon calls. I think it's gonna pop. Kind of in a range here, but right now I'm up 20%. I really don't want to sell, so I'm just distracting myself by playing some poker on my phone. This looks really good. I think it prints 2090 soon. So hope for the best. I got two contracts for about $1,200, and right now they're going for like $1,400. So I'm up about $400. I don't see a reason to sell. Market is holding. SPY's holding, so no reason to sell. I think this prints in the 80s, 90s very soon, even like in a hurry too, because like short sellers start covering and stuff. And by the way, to see if it's real account or not, right here at the top left, it says connected real-time data in green. It is. Damn, I lost a hand. Then it means it's real time. So here it is. Let's watch what happens. Up 30%, 25. With this strong green candle, $32 up. Some profit take. I'm getting a little nervous here. Fuck it, I'll sell one. Sold one for $200 profit, and I'll see what the other one does. Really didn't want to sell that one though, but I don't like how that is. Like, it could easily just crash, especially with the, since I'm going against the trend. The continuation could be strong. So at least I'm holding one more contract. If it flies, at least I catch it with that. So I'm holding one contract now for about $1,200. Right now it's going for $1,400. If it goes lower, I'm out. If it goes to 71, I'm out. Fuck it. I'm not trying to turn this into a loser, and you should never let a trade turn into a loser. Never. I like watching the 5 minute. Sometimes I look at the 1 minute, but there's a lot of fake outs and a lot of bullshit. You could, like here, I would have probably gotten scared if I was watching the 1 minute, but here, the 5 minute looks more calmer. If it goes under 72, I'm gonna just get out. And there's actually a way to do that. There's actually a way to do that, where I can just go here to the option chain, and then do sell custom. Actually, let me show you guys. I'll bring the option chain down here. So I go here, do sell custom, and then do stop loss, and then click on this, and then I tell it sell Amazon the call when the stock goes under 21.79, and it looks like Amazon is ripping right now. Alright, boom, baby. Oh, what the fuck? Damn it, sold it. I did it. I just did some bullshit. Fuck. I just sold it now by accident. Damn, I didn't want to sell it. This is gonna fly. It's all good. It happens. I'm just doing too much right now. Doing too much. This is gonna fly. So, as you can see here, it's locked in a profit of $800. Wow, that's pretty identical to yesterday. Wow, this shit's gonna fly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. 2100 now. Sweet. Bought at 9:30 and then again at 9:34. Got out at 9:45, 9:47, and then from there, that's pretty much it. 17-minute trade. And about $800. Amazon's at 21.17 now, bruh. Fuck me. I sold the contract for it was a conditional order. What the hell did it sell? I did sell custom, and I did stop loss, and then I changed this. Maybe I had it over 20. Oh, I did 20 21.76. That was the problem. I said sell it if it's under 21.76, and I meant to do 20.76. That's why it sold. Silly me. So I sold the fucking contract for $1,800. Right now, that shit's going for $2,500. An extra $700. Wow. Oh, good. Fuck it. Fuck it. That $800, I'll take it. $800 in 17 minutes. Everybody's scared and they were like, oh nah, get puts. But for me, the reason that I was calm and able to play the long side here is because I had a 2050 zone, and as you can see here, it struggled to go down under it. It held strongly, so I was never, panicking. I think the most I was down was like $200-300. So in terms of risk reward ratio, this was a great trade. There could be even room for re-entry here, but after missing this nice pop, $700, it's all good. I think I'll just stay out and call it a day, take my 800 and keep it moving. So honestly, this trade was too good to just not get in. I seen a pullback and I seen a good entry to get in, so I end up getting another contract as it's bouncing off my level here. Technical analysis is on point. You gotta follow. I don't care if I was up $800. I decided to risk $200-300 out of that to catch the move. So now I bought one contract, as you can see here, and again, just to make sure it's real-time account, real money, connected, real-time data, right? Now we go back here. You'll see that I bought that contract for $1,100. Again, when it says 11.11, that means $11 premium is $1,100 contract. And right now the contract's going for $1,500. So if I sell right now, that's a profit of $400. As you can see here, the open, right? Which means it's an open position, means that you didn't close it yet. So, what would you do here? What would you do? It looks strong. One thing you want to watch here, if you're in a call, you want the buyers to be strong. So the buyers are bids, so you want the bids to continue to go higher, right? The bids are 10, 21.10, asks are 15. Another thing you want if you have calls is that you want the sellers to back away, right? So as you can see here, there's like a 80% chance that this makes a new high. Why do I say that? Because whoever shorted here is very nervous right now. They're like, oh my god, short. And then the buyers, as you can see, basic trends, right? A trend, you have uptrend and a downtrend. Uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend is lower lows and lower highs. What's a high, what's a low? A high is just the highest point to reach. So that's a high, and then a low is the lowest point. That's a low, that's a low. What's happening to the lows? They're getting higher. What's happening to the highs? They're getting higher. So this has a higher chance to go there unless it moves sideways or it double tops, right? So that's why on another screen, I'm watching what the S&P 500 is doing, because whatever the S&P 500 does, that's what most stocks are going to do. Now, specifically with Amazon, if you look at it on the daily chart, it looks like it has a lot of room to go higher, especially since it's over yesterday's close after a nice gap down. Bears might start to think, oh, let me cover. And then bulls might be like, okay, this might be the bottom. Let me try to get in here, open up a position, whatever, right? I hope all this is making sense. I'm speaking fast. I don't know why, but maybe it's the adrenaline from being in this open position. Right now I'm up, $600 right now? I'm not even gonna look at that. I don't even like having this up. I don't want to. People love watching money, right? So to get more views, I don't know. People love watching that shit. Right now it's $600, right? When it makes a new high, it'll probably be another couple hundred more. But it doesn't really matter, because fuck the money. What you want to look at is the play itself. So as you can see here, it's a trend. Most likely it's going to beat this high. And when it does, I don't think it's going to go lower. I think it's just going to keep ripping higher. So thank God I'm catching it at least with one contract. And I had the guts to re-enter. Right now it's 700, right? So what's delta? This is another reason I like having this up. Delta is basically how much you're gonna make or lose for every dollar the stock goes up. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. New highs. Delta is. So I bought the contract for 1,100. Right now it's going for 2K. For 2K, so I'm up about $1,000, and this is not including the 800 that I just made. So I'm up 1,700 on the day actually, right? But again, I'm only confident because of my research and my technical analysis, right? It's an uptrend. If you're shorting right now, you're absolutely out of your mind, right? So here, I would love to put a stop loss where if Amazon goes under 21.24, I get out. I don't want to give up that much profit. So I'm going to go to the option chain, and then I'm going to put sell custom, and then go here and do when Amazon goes under 21.24, get me out. Okay, that's definitely right. That's definitely right. Okay, it didn't sell this time. Now Amazon's at 21.43. What a beautiful, beautiful catch. I just caught this shit for $53. I'm up 130%. Now most people be like, sell, why are you not selling? How are you still holding? Like, I used to be that way too. A lot of times we sell based on, we want to, make a profit, or we want to just collect the money. But you have to follow your technical analysis. Now, does this chart look like it can go higher, or does it look like it can go lower? Okay, so that's all I'm asking. For me, this shit looks like it's gonna rip, right? But you still have to have a stop loss. So I wouldn't want to hold this if it goes to 33. So I'm gonna up my stop loss. So custom. Wait, I think I have to cancel the order first, or cancel replace. 21.34. Come on. If it goes to 21.34, get me out. That's it. And if you look back on the chart, what do you know? It's making higher highs. So why do I have 21.34? Because that's the next level, and it's under the trend line. Another reason I wouldn't even sell here is because there's a lot of triggers that are happening. Like, here's the way that it works, right? For example, in terms of trend lines, when you have a trend line like this, let's go to the 15-minute. It might look a little bit more clearer. When you have a trend line break like this is reasons for shorts to cover and reasons for bulls to buy. So the move is just getting started, and I got in like super early, it feels like, right? So as you can see here, I don't have a reason to sell. I'm up 150%. I'm up 1,700 on this trade alone. Holy shit. Now you see, as the money just starts getting bigger, whatever my self-limiting belief is, like, it's too much money, lock in. I'm up on the day 2,400. It's like, it doesn't matter how much I'm up. Like, I want to stop looking at this because it's getting me emotional. I am human at the end of the day, and I don't want to make a decision based on money. But I'll keep this here and try my best not to look at it. As I'm up 130%, how much of that do I want to lock in? Because obviously I don't want it to go from being up 100% to, like, only up 70 or something, right? What would you do? How much would you give up out of 123? Now, do I do it based on that, or do I do it based on the chart? That's another amazing question. Or do I do it based on the premium? Right now the premium is 2,300 and the delta is 36. So for every $10, that is it. I'll just let my stop loss hit. I had my stop loss there for a reason. If it goes there, it goes there. If it doesn't, so technically, as soon as Amazon, that's a crazy jump. As soon as Amazon prints 21.34, it'll sell. So I could literally just walk away. I could just walk away, and then worst case scenario, the computer's gonna sell for me if Amazon goes to 21.34. That's it. Simple. Trading is simple. It's not easy. It's simple. If it executes, it executes. That's the name of the game. My hands are here. Look, I'm gonna show you in action. All I have to do is print 34, 33 or something. Up 100%. Is the stop loss even active? Let me just make sure. Yeah, it is. There. I didn't even. What happened? Yeah, so it printed under. That's it. I gave up what, like 600 bucks? That's fine. So now, made about 1,000 on that. So now I'm up on the day, 1,800 bucks, right? Should I have sold when it was like at the high? You'll never, ever, consistently at least, sell at the high and buy at the bottom. So don't even try that, right? Can this keep pushing higher? Yeah. Do I care? No, I'm good. I re-entered, I followed my plan, made about 2K for the day in about 45 minutes. What more do I want, right? That was a fake out. They got me, not gonna lie. Oh, sorry, I'm not even showing you guys. Yeah, I got faked out. Crazy. But that goes to show, maybe have it a little bit farther. You got to be willing to lose a little bit more. It happens. Market's looking strong. Amazon can keep going, but I'm done. Now I'm really done. See you on the next video.